Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a chit chat, get ready with me. I'm just gonna walk you guys through the makeup look that I'm going to do today. This has been my go-to makeup look for the past couple of weeks. It's super simple and it's one of those looks where you can dress it up or dress it down. So let's get into it. So I already did my brows off camera to save some time. I recently uploaded a eyebrow routine, updated eyebrow routine, so I will leave that down below if you guys want to see how I do my brows. So to prime my face, I'm going to be using the Benefit Professional Primer. And I have been creasing so bad under my under eyes. So I'm going to start with my eyes first so I don't have to bake for that long. So I'm going to prime my eyes using the Juvia's Place primer. The Juvia's, this is the I Am Magic primer in the number 13. I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. I'm going to set my eyelids using a loose powder. This is the ColourPop No Filter powder. So this look is extremely simple. It involves 3 different colors, and 2 of the colors I use are actually bronzers. So
Alright, y'all, I had to switch over to voiceover real quick, but for this look I'm using a bunch of blending brushes. So I'm going to start with a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm going into my Black Radiance contour palette. This is the color Dark to Deep, and I'm using the middle color, which is the Sculpt color, and I'm just blending that into my crease. So this look is a very effortless, kind of blown out look. So you don't have to be really precise. I'm just going in a windshield wiper motion back and forth and just applying that color throughout my crease. Again, I'm not being super precise. This is really blown. It's a really blown out look. Then I'm going to take a medium-sized blending brush and I'm going to go into my Anastasia and Jackie Aina palette, and I'm using the color Ginger. Was that Ginger? Yeah, it's Ginger. But yeah, so basically I'm doing the exact same thing I did with the first color, except I'm bringing it down a little further. So I'm applying it, you know, like in between my crease and my eyelid. And now I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, and this time I'm going to go into another Black Radiance contour palette. This is the medium to dark palette, and I'm going into that Sculpt color again, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid and just make all of those colors blend together. Again, this is not a real precise eyeshadow look. This is very effortless and kind of natural. And then to finish it off, I'm going in with this bronzer and Ginger Snap from Black Radiance, taking a pencil brush, and then I'm just going to apply that into my crease. And that's pretty much it for my eyeshadow. And then for my lashes, I'm using these wholesale lashes from AliExpress. I don't remember the vendor name, but the style is D26. So I'm going to apply those off camera, and now I'm going to get back to talking.
Alright you guys, so I'm back. I have my lashes on. I'm back talking. I don't know how I feel about these lashes. This is my first time wearing these, so I don't know. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and, you know, wait to see how it looks once everything is kind of done. But now I don't really like them. They're really long and dramatic, which it's not really my thing. But yeah, it's actually Valentine's Day, so I'm on a schedule. I don't even know, I shouldn't really even be filming this because I don't really have time like that. But yeah, moving right along, I'm going to move on to my foundation. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation, color Zaria, which is 320. But I'm just using a damp beauty sponge. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got my nose pierced. So I got it done like a week ago. So far, I really like my nose ring. I had my nose pierced like 10 years ago when I was like 19, and it didn't last very long. What happened was the bar that they had used, it was like the L-shaped one, and I got a really small stud, and I was cleaning like my L-shaped thing in the middle, and I accidentally pulled my ring through. So then I had to like push it out, and then I just felt like it never would heal properly, so I ended up taking it out. And so yeah, I've actually had a total of about 6 piercings, believe it or not, and I haven't had any in a while, but I've been wanting to get my nose redone. So I got my nose redone, and so far I really like it. All right, so for concealer, excuse me. So for concealer, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place concealer again that I use to prime my eyelids. I take my Juvia's Place concealer and just apply that regularly. I don't like to go down the full bridge of my nose. I really just like to do like a little bit right there in the center, and then I'll blend it out going downwards, and then a little on my forehead. I'm gonna go in with a clean, damp beauty sponge, and I'm just going to blend that out. So I like to do like small patting motions to blend it. And then on these outer corners, I like to use the butt of my sponge to blend that out. And I applied a little too much, so I'm gonna go in with the sponge that I used for my foundation and just blend that together so that, you know, it's not a hard, so that it just blends seamlessly. So you see this side where I blended it out with my foundation sponge, and the difference, how it looks when you don't blend it out, is very harsh and it looks really bad and dramatic. All right, to set my concealer, I'm going to be using this Morphe loose palette. I'm going to be using this Morphe loose powder, bacon setting powder in Banana Rich, and it's just like a banana color, but it's a little more pigmented. My camera will focus. So yeah, it's just a little more, it has that banana undertone, but it's definitely more pigmented. It works good for deeper tones. I'm just gonna use that same brush. And because, like I told you guys, I've been having a problem with creasing, I haven't been using as much like setting powder because yeah, it just looks really bad. Which I'm already starting to crease. And I don't know what it is. I've tried changing my primers. I've tried changing my concealers. I've tried different setting powders, and I just continue to crease. So I guess I'm gonna have to have wrinkles underneath my eyes because I don't know how to get rid of it. I'm gonna have to keep these lashes on because I don't think I'm gonna have time to change them. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. If you watch my videos, you know this is a fave of mine. Been using it for years, and I'll probably continue to use it as long as they still make it. Now on to bronzing and contouring. I'm gonna go back into my black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in the dark to deep shade, and I'm going to use that middle color, and I'm going to do some bronzing just to warm up my face a little. I'm going to go in with this Benefit Hoola Toasted It's another bronzer, but it's a little deeper. And I'm gonna use the brush that it comes with. And I'm just gonna dab a little bit of that on. And I just like to pat that on like right under my cheekbone. So for blush, I'm using this blush from The Balm. The color is Pinstripe, and it's just kind of like a mauve pinkish color. All right, and so to finish this off, I'm gonna do my lips. So I'm going in with the dark brown lip pencil. And then I'm going in with NYX Butter Gloss in the color Fortune Cookie. And this is a very pale, nude-ish, peachish color. So you don't need too much of this, because it does get a little chalky looking. And then I'm gonna pair it with my MAC lip gloss in Dreamy, which is like a glittery, sparkly pink. And here is the final look, you guys. My baby hair is dusty. I'm gonna try to get some pictures. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I am running out the door. So yeah, see y'all next time. Bye.